Like most people, you have a collection account or maybe a charge-off. What should you do? So we really want to pay attention to the date of the last activity, because if this date of last activity is at least over a year or two old, don't do anything with it, because the only thing that's going to transpire if you pay this account off or pay it current is it's still going to show that you're in collection status. All it's going to do is update this date of last activity from an old active account to a brand new active account. So basically, you just shot yourself in the foot by paying off that collection. The next piece of this puzzle we want to talk about is charge-offs. What do you do if an account's charged off? Well, you don't do anything. Because if a bank actually or a lender charged your account off, that means legally they can no longer collect on it. We're going to write it off on our taxes as uncollectible debt, and we can't collect on it anymore. So as a lender, we don't require you do anything with it because it's been charged off. It's already built into your score whenever that charge off occurred. So your credit score's already been affected, but you're not having to pay that account off. So in a nutshell, what we want to do is, if you have a collection account, we want to see when it was created, when was the last active date, because if that last active date is over at least a year or two old, we're not going to do anything with it. And my first video I did was several years ago, and it was basically on this same topic. So I actually created a website. It's called creditscoresandmore.com, and here it is.